Fuzz, fuzz, and more fuzz. Do your clothes suffer from fuzzballitis? All of your favorite clothes are destined to have those dreaded fuzzballs eventually. They can ruin the look of your clothes. That shirt used to look fresh. Now it's a mess. Even your expensive designer clothes are not immune. Time for those clothes to hit the trash. Or is it? Now, a major breakthrough in fabric care means you don't have to throw away any of your favorite clothes. Introducing the Gleaner, the ultimate fuzz and lint remover. Watch as Gleaner magically removes fuzz, restoring your favorite items back to life. Your clothes will go from old and worn to fresh and crisp. Developed for professional fashion stylists and dry cleaners, Gleaner technology is a well-kept trade secret and is now available for home use at a fraction of the cost. Best of all, it's fast and easy. Just 1, 2, 3, and your clothing is gleaned. The secret is Gleaner's Safe Edge system. 3 specially designed fabric-sensitive edges to remove fuzzballs fast and easy and gently, so your garments are perfectly restored without damaging fibers. Edge 1 is specifically designed for large fuzzballs, Edge 2 for medium-sized fuzzballs, and Edge 3 for fine and delicate fabrics. Flip the Gleaner over and use its built-in lint remover to remove lint and discarded fuzz. Great for pet owners. Removes dog or cat hair easily in seconds. Gleaner works on virtually all fibers. Restore sweaters, coats, pants, t-shirts, suits, and so much more. Not only will removing fuzz by hand take excruciatingly tedious hours, it actually creates more fuzz as you stretch the fibers. Battery-powered depillers are known to damage your clothes. Yikes! Save hundreds, even thousands of dollars that it would cost you to replace items. Can you really afford not to get a Gleaner? Gleaner can now solve your problem. Just save one of your favorite items from the trash, and the Gleaner has paid for itself. And it doesn't stop there. Gleaner works on couches, pillows, blankets, and more. We'll also include this handy Gleaner travel pouch.